Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the top 5 common dating mistakes that you should avoid if you want to have a successful dating life. Whether you're new to the dating scene or a seasoned pro, it's always helpful to learn from others' mistakes and avoid them yourself. Being too eager. One of the most common mistakes people make in dating is being too eager. This can include things like texting too much, wanting to see the other person too often, or being overly enthusiastic about the relationship. We'll talk about how to avoid coming on too strong and give tips for pacing yourself in the early stages of dating. Mistake 2. Ignoring red flags. Another mistake many people make is ignoring red flags in their potential partners. Whether it's ignoring warning signs of incompatible values or brushing off concerning behaviors, we'll discuss why it's important to pay attention to red flags and how to recognize them. Mistake 3. Not communicating clearly. Clear communication is essential in any relationship, but it's especially important in the early stages of dating. We'll talk about how to communicate your needs and expectations effectively and avoid common communication pitfalls. Mistake 4. Moving too fast or too slow. Timing is everything in dating, but finding the right pace can be tricky. We'll discuss how to navigate the early stages of dating and avoid moving too fast or too slow for your comfort level. Mistake 5. Focusing too much on the outcome. Finally, we'll talk about the mistake of focusing too much on the outcome of dating rather than enjoying the process. Whether you're putting too much pressure on finding the one or obsessing over every little detail of your dates, we'll give tips for staying present and enjoying the journey. So those are the top 5 common dating mistakes that you should avoid. Whether you're new to dating or have been doing it for years, we hope these tips have been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more dating and relationship advice, and let us know in the comments if you have any other common dating mistakes to add to the list.